Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this logo, and they're trying to put a contour cut line around the outside. So this logo that is a 8-point line if we click on it. And so it's a line. So what I'm going to do is make a duplicate of it and move it over. I've got my nudge factor set on 5 inches. I'm going to take this line and go to Object and convert the outline to an object. And then I'm going to left click, right click. Now I've got 2 sets of lines. I might not need to do this, but it'd be safe. Go up to Object and break the curve apart. Grab the inside one and move it out of the way. So this is our outside of that line. Now all we have to do is go to Effects and Contour, and I don't know what, so I'm going to contour in red so we can see the difference. I'm going to contour the outside, and I'm going to contour the rounded corners, just 0.02, and whoever I'm doing this for, you can change that contour to whatever you want. And by doing that, it put that little bitty contour around that patch. Now, with this selected, we're going to go to Object, break the 3 objects apart. I don't understand why there's 3, but I'm going to move this center one out of the way, and I'm going to just nudge that other one right back. So if that's too big a contour, you want it right on the letter, right on the patch. That's the outside. We can make it red. Let's take away this contour and just move that over. And then that way, that red line is exactly on the outside of your patch. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.